Hi, today I am going to talk about something different and eco-friendly. This is a solid container bar from Earth Rhythm. If you are tired of plastic bottle and chemical heavy product, this might interest you. So let's see if this product is really worth it. This is not a liquid conditioner. It comes in a solid bar form, just like soap, but this is specially made for conditioning hair. Contains tamano oil, coconut oil and camellia oil. These oil are known for nourishing dry and damaged hair. After shampooing your hair, make sure your hair is wet. Then gently rub the part directly onto your hair length. You don't need to apply it on the scalp. Focus on the end of your hair. Massage gently for about 30 seconds, then rinse through with water. You will immediately feel the softness while washing it off. After using this product for a few washes, I notice my hair feels softer and smoother. It reduces frizz. My hair feels lightweight, not crazy. There is no strong artificial smell. Especially for dry hair, this works really well. If your hair is chemical treated or damaged, this can help improve texture over time. Overall, I think is a good option if you want sustainable hair care. It is simple, effective, and better for the environment. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe. Tata, bye bye, see you, bye.